Welcome to the channel, and if you're watching this, you know the struggle is real dandruff. It's itchy, it's embarrassing, and it can really put a damper on your day. But before you despair, I want you to know that you are not alone. Dandruff is incredibly common, and more importantly, there are natural solutions that can make a real difference. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 natural remedies you can try at home to combat dandruff and regain your scalp's health. Remember, everyone's scalp is different, so it might take a little experimentation to find what works best for you. Let's kick things off with a powerhouse in the natural remedy world: tea tree oil. This amazing oil has been used for centuries for its incredible antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can be a game changer for dandruff. Tea tree oil works by targeting the overgrowth of a specific type of yeast called Malassezia globosa, which is often a major culprit behind those pesky flakes. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo, or look for shampoos that already contain this potent ingredient. Next up is a true multitasker: coconut oil. This kitchen staple isn't just for cooking, it's also a fantastic natural moisturizer that can work wonders for a dry, flaky scalp. Simply massage a small amount of coconut oil directly onto your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. You can do this once or twice a week for optimal hydration. Let's move on to another kitchen hero: apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to gently restore your scalp's natural pH, creating an environment that's less hospitable to yeast and other microorganisms that can contribute to flakes. Time to raid your pantry again, because our next natural remedy is baking soda. This versatile ingredient is a gentle exfoliant that can work wonders in removing dead skin cells and excess oil from your scalp. To use baking soda for dandruff, simply wet your hair and massage a handful of baking soda onto your scalp. You can skip the shampoo this time and go straight to rinsing. Let's add a little zest to our dandruff-fighting routine with lemon juice. Just like apple cider vinegar, lemon juice is naturally acidic, which means it can help to balance your scalp's pH. To use lemon juice, simply apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it out. You can do this once or twice a week. Aloe vera is a true miracle worker when it comes to soothing and healing, and it can be incredibly beneficial for an irritated, itchy scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to calm irritation and reduce redness, while its moisturizing abilities combat dryness. You can apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your scalp before shampooing, or look for shampoos and conditioners that contain aloe vera as an ingredient. All right, let's talk about giving your scalp some serious TLC with olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish the scalp and help to restore its natural moisture balance. For a deeply hydrating treatment, massage a few tablespoons of olive oil onto your scalp and cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning with a gentle shampoo. Let's tap into the wisdom of ancient remedies with neem. Neem possesses potent antifungal and antibacterial properties that make it highly effective against the microorganisms that can contribute to dandruff. It also helps to soothe inflammation and promote a healthy scalp environment. You can find neem oil, shampoos, and conditioners at many health food stores. Our next natural remedy dives into the world of minerals with zinc pyrithione. This powerful ingredient is a common sight in anti-dandruff shampoos, and for good reason. Zinc pyrithione works by slowing down the growth of yeast on the scalp, effectively reducing dandruff and its accompanying symptoms. When choosing a shampoo containing zinc pyrithione, opt for natural or organic brands whenever possible to minimize exposure to harsh chemicals. Believe it or not, what you eat can actually play a role in dandruff. Certain foods can sometimes exacerbate dandruff symptoms, while others can actually promote a healthier scalp. Loading up on foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins B and D can work wonders for your skin and scalp health. So there you have it, 10 natural remedies to help you banish dandruff and regain your scalp's health. Remember, consistency is key, so choose a few remedies that resonate with you and incorporate them into your routine regularly. If your dandruff is persistent, severe, or if you have any concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Here's to happy, healthy, and flake-free days ahead.